What's going on, everyone? I got these two upgrade kits for my shifting issue with my Civic Type R, where it kind of has a little bit of play. It has about 80k miles on it, so I think it is time to kind of maybe restore the shifting feel to it. So hopefully this will add a little bit of clickety clackety on the shifting. So what I got is a shifter bushing. The shifter bushing that I got online. And let's drain the oil because the car has high miles. Using synchro mesh, you could use whatever oil you want. It's whatever your preference, don't matter. Or it does not matter, all right? So let's go ahead and let's see what we got. So first I took out the box already. And as I'm looking at it, this is, so we're gonna do the drain plug. First thing we're gonna do is, I don't think, oh yeah, it's been, you can see the previous owner, because I bought this secondhand, right over here. The plug has been changed before. As you can see, the original mark has been moved. So we're gonna, I don't know the history of it, so this is what we're trying to after, these two right over here. I don't think I still need to remove the battery, but I'm gonna use my tools to reach in there and take things out. So, oh, check this out, guys. You know how I'm trying to remove my bushing? Look at this. I don't know if you can see that, but there's an excessive play. So when you pull the lever, that's the play that everyone's talking about. And that goes the same right here. There's a little play as well. Yeah, I can feel it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There it is. So we're gonna be replacing that. So 80k, it's about time. So first thing I'm gonna do is, instead of me draining the oil and then working on it at the same time while the oil is draining, let me just concentrate on these two bushings right here on top, so I have peace of mind. And I'm gonna first, always when you work on your car, always crack this open before you crack the bottom. Reason for that is, if you can't open this, then you're screwed. Yeah, let's remove that with the magic of editing. I'm just gonna unpin this right here and pull up, and then unpin that, pull up, and put the new one in. Easy as that, right? All right, so here's the construction of the bushing. Remove the cotter pin on top. This has a little tension on the bottom, so you're gonna have to use a flat head to separate it. Pull up, right? And this is what's left on the tiny little hole right there behind it. And I push down. This grommet right here is what's holding it over there. I push down and look what happened. There's a little bit of lip right here. So I pushed it down and that came off. I pushed it down with this. That's that. Let me clean that up and then remove the other one as well. That away. That goes the same on the other one. I pushed it down with my clip, you know, holding the clip right here on the corner, and then push down from the top. And this popped off. Of course, use your flat head to remove this piece right here on top. So slide out and then this push down. This came off and now they're both clean. And I didn't have to remove anything else other than the air box. I'm gonna clean, I should say. The other one's clean. This one I need to clean. Let's put this aside and clean it up, and then we'll put the new one in. This is just me, but I added some grease lubricant, so it will be, you know, has a longevity, but that's just me. So you can do whatever you want. Once again, I'm just gonna use that to kind of lube it a little bit, but not too much. So let's go ahead and put it in and lock it. I also lubed this little ball right here that goes on the bigger one. Now it's up to you again if you want to do this or not, but I did lube it. Probably the hardest part on this, without removing the battery and the pipe, is the pin underneath. As you can see, I put in both. I just inserted it from the bottom and it clips itself in. Anyway, it took that like 5 minutes instead of a few seconds, but yeah. There you go. Okay. Now that we have accomplished putting those 2 bushings right over here, without removing any of these, let's go ahead and drain my oil transmission flush. I have to take this out right over here. And also I use the factory pin because it has that little notch right there so it doesn't back out. I didn't want to use the one, the aftermarket that comes with it. Even though it's strong like this has a tendency to just maybe vibrate and pops itself out. And look at that, there's no play, exception of the middle piece. I don't know, maybe there should be a slack over there. Okay, let's go ahead and drain my oil. Okay, before we remove the transmission oil, let's remove this this fuel plug right here. I'm not gonna remove the other plug because it's all the way right there. It complicates things, so I'm just gonna fill it up, whatever came out. Oh, look at that. Oh man, it's dark in there and it's dirty. Anyway, let's go ahead and crack this thing open. I was gonna splash everywhere, but hold on. Hold on. There we go. Replace the crush washer and the one on the top. Let's drain it back. It's that simple. You could do it on your own, guys and gals. After you drain it, just go ahead and clean it with something that you want to clean it with. So this is what came out on the transmission fluid. That's a good thing that it's dirty. So I kind of like washed the inside, I guess, of the transmission. That's what you want, like that dark, oil. And we're gonna go ahead and fill it up. So I'm gonna measure what came out, guys. I made a mark right over there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there on top of the 900. Anyway, I'm gonna fill it up and whatever came out, but it's a room temperature, so it's hot here in SoCal right now, so it's like a summer heat. That's the second bottle, so it looks like there's a little bit of oil more, so 2.3 more or less. All right, let's fill it up. I think our work here is done for drain and refill and removing the bushing. All right, we'll just button everything up, guys and gals. Oh, you're supposed to clean this drain, but it looks clean to me, so let's just put this thing back. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm just gonna put everything back. If that helps you, or thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll see you soon. God bless everyone. Thumbs up, subscribe. Take care. God bless.